Hi everyone, just wanted to make a quick review on this birdhouse. I have purchased one of these this past year. It cracked, so I decided to give it another try. I actually purchased 4 of these this past month, and I actually do not recommend. Very poor craftsmanship right here. The reason why I am returning this one is because similar to the other ones, the previous 3, this here, it's supposed to be on the side to prevent predators from opening the door, okay? This here, it's placed incorrectly. It actually should go right here to help prevent the plexiglass from falling off. The way it's set up, it is impossible to remove the plexiglass unless you unscrew this. Definitely there is a quality control going on, and I will definitely be looking for another brand of birdhouse at this point. So don't make the mistake I made. I wanted to give it a try because I like it so much, but definitely not worth it. Okay, thank you so much.